With the MyCoast dashboard, you have the ability to assist students using the Student Default Views card. To locate the Student Default Views card, scroll down to discover more. Then, in the Find Card search bar, enter Student Default Views. Click on the search result and bookmark the card to save to your home page. Head back to your home page by clicking the logo to access the card. Within the Student Default Views card, you will see links to all 3 colleges' Student Default Views. The first Student Default View link is for Coastline College. You will be able to see the Coastline students' locked cards view. Then, you can see the Coastline students' Discover More view. You can also assist Coastline students by viewing the default left navigation pane. To go back to your MyCoast dashboard, hit the back button on your browser. To access Golden West College's Student Default View, click on the second link within the card. You will be able to see the Golden West College students' locked cards view. Then, you can see the Golden West College students' Discover More view. You can also assist Golden West College students by viewing the default left navigation pane. Finally, you can access the Orange Coast College Student Default Views by clicking on the third link within the card. You will be able to see the Orange Coast College students' locked cards view. Then, you can see the Orange Coast College students' Discover More view. You can also assist Orange Coast College students by viewing the default left navigation pane.